Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about phylum Mollusca. The phylum Mollusca included soft bodies, unsegmented eucoelomate animals. These are called molluscas or shelled animals. This was first coined by Johnston in 1650 and termed mollusca is the second largest animal phylum and includes about 85,000 species. The study of molluscan is called as malacology. Now let us discuss the general features of mollusks. Some important general features of phylum mollusks are discussed as below. Mollusks are mostly of marine form, Sepia, octopus and chiton, etc. Some are freshwater like Unio and Pila, and some are terrestrial from land snails, etc. Few molluscans are parasites also. Glochidium larvae. Examples. These are generally bilaterally symmetrical and some are asymmetrically due to torsion or twisting during growth. Germ layers and organizations are triploblastic and they possess organ system level of organization. The body form have unsegmented, soft body and covered by calcareous cells which is differentiated into head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Mantle is a soft and spongy thick fold of skin cover the visceral lump that secrete calcareous shell. The space between the hump and the mantle is called mantle cavity in which feather like gills are present. Mollusks generally have shell as exoskeleton. In octopus the shell is absent. The column is greatly reduced all through. There are eucoelomate. The locomotory organs is muscular foot. The digestive tract is complete. The mouth contains a rasping organ called radula with file-like transverse row of chitinous teeth. Anus opens into mantle cavity. In terrestrial forms, respiration occurs through lungs. In aquatic forms, respiration occurs through feather-like gills or syncytidia. A pair of metanephridia kidneys or organs of Bojanus or Krebs organs are present in excretory system. Mollusks have open type of circulatory system. The column is called hemocole. Sense organs like eyes, statocyst, tentacles for equilibrium and receptors for touch, smell and taste buds are present. In nerve system, few pairs of ganglia like cerebral, visceral and pedal with nerves are present. Reproduction in molluscans are sexually and sexes are separated and mostly are oviparous. Fertilization is external or internal. Development is either direct or indirect with larval stages like trochophore, Golgi chidium and veliger. Examples of this are Chitoplularia chiton, elephant suck shell, apple snail, sea hare, prell hostel, cuttlefish and squid, octopus, devilfish, etc. Now let us discuss the classification of mollusks is as follows. First one is Solenograsters. The body is worm-like bilateral symmetrical and cylinder. The head, mantle, foot, shell and nephridia are absent. The body is covered with spicule bearing cuticle. The digestive tract is straight with radula. A mid-rostral longitudinal keel or crest is often present. Example, Neomenia and Chidoderma, etc. Next, we'll discuss about class Monophora. The body of this organism is bilaterally symmetrical and segmented. The cell is formed of a single larva. The head is without eyes and tentacles. The gills are external and are serial arranged. The nephridia are 5 pair. Neophilinia, Galathea, etc. Now let us discuss about class Polyplesophora. These molluscans are bilaterally symmetrical and dorsoventral flattened. The cell is composed of a longitudinal series of 8 plates. The foot is flat and ventricle. The radula is well developed. Example chitin, cryptochitin, etc. Now let us discuss about class 4 Gastropoda. It seems to be these animals are moving on their stomach, hence the name is Gastropoda. Gastropods are marine, freshwater and terrestrial animals. A few are parasitic. The body is non-segmented and symmetrical. The cell is univalve and spiral colloid. The head is distinct. It bears tentacles, eyes and a mouth. The foot is ventral and muscular. The buccal cavity is provided with a radula. The circulatory system is open and the sex organs are mostly separate with some forms of hermaphrodite. The development includes veliger and trochophore larvae. Examples of this class are Pila, Criparia, etc. or apple snail. Now let us discuss about Scaphopoda. In these organisms, the body looks like foot. It is boat shaped and the eyes, tentacles and chitinidea are absent. Marine bilaterally symmetrical molluscans. Examples of this are Dentalium, Spinodentalium and Pulsalium, etc. Now let us discuss about the class Pelecypoda. The class Pelecypoda are aquatic in habitat. The body is bilaterally symmetrical and laterally compressed. The cell is formed of 2 distinctive shell plates. The head is not distinct. The alimentary canal shows a crystalline style. The gills, excretory organs and the other structures are paired. The sexes are separate and are unitide. The development is indirect, having a Glochidium larva. Now let us discuss about the class Cephalopoda. The body of these organisms is bilaterally symmetrical. The foot is modified into arms and frenule. The shell may be either absent or rudimentary. The odonospore with a radula is present. The ink gland is present. The sexes are separate. The development is direct, hence no metamorphosis and the larva stage. Examples of this class are Nautilus, Loligo, Sepia, Octopus, etc.